And here I switched out the marker lights on the mirrors to LEDs as well. So now you got all LED lights all around, and man, it looks so much better. I am actually headed out to town real quick to pick up a LED cab lights that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. They're Recon. The first thing I'm going to do is get to where I can access excuse me, to where I can access under you know, this ceiling panel here. So that will involve popping this A-pillars off, taking off these because those are attached to the roof, I believe. Anyways, unscrewing those, and then once I get that off, I think I'll be able to peel this down enough to access that. And I don't need to access a whole bunch, I just need to access enough to cram the wires up there. So this is the wiring harness I'm gonna switch to, because all of these lights are easy plug and play. So that just kind of makes sense. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I believe those over there are 8mm sockets, and then just it looks like Phillips heads. The hardest part about this is going to be drilling the roof for the lights. Everything else is super easy. Also, I think I found some King Ranch seats, 2 captains, King Ranch console, and then a new bench seat back there, all for 350 bucks. So of course. So it's gonna be easiest if you use a not a extended one, but a shorty. So I'm gonna have to go get that. All right. So once you get that off, your A-pillar pop out super easy like that. All right, so we got the visors off. Squeak it under there, pop it out. This wire right here is the power wire for these lights up here. You're gonna take these off here. And then we'll go ahead and just cut these off and then clean these up. There we go. Wow. So you can see over time, when I first painted this truck, look at how bright a white it was. All right guys, so I got the first one installed, and the second one is on its way, as you can see right there. Pretty easy. Just lined them up where I wanted to, then took the drill and drilled through here exactly, and then just gonna repeat the same process, and then we'll stick the caps on once I'm done. But should be pretty good. All right, I got these 3 on. Just need to put the rest 2 on over there. Yeah, that part's a little scary. Not gonna lie. Gonna turn this off. So I'm super happy with how they turned out. They look phenomenal from just the outside, and being blacked out like that. The exterior stuff is done. All that's left now is the interior wiring, so let's get over to that. Like I was telling you earlier, this is the power wire here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that cut right there. That's what it looked like. Just kind of daisy chain, sort of. So you can see, got the interior all put back together. Everything's back together now. Let me hit the lights and we'll see how they look. Oh yeah. That looks so good. I love it. So the next thing will be getting LED lights for these white ones to match that. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this amber light here. Folks, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I've got, I don't know if you noticed this, but this video and the last video were videoed on the exact same day. I had the day off of work today, and so I just kind of decided to get things done around here, and I had a little bit of time to you know, put towards this. So that's that, guys. It just looks killer. I love it. Super stoked. I will see you guys next video. I'm out.